My name is Gregory, and I am a combat veteran. I was a staff sergeant in the U.S. Army. Done 2 tours in Iraq. I was a combat engineer, 12 Bravo for U.S. Army for the last 12 years. Whoa! It was within the first week of being in Iraq that we had a mission that we had to go make sure that the interpreters that were currently working for them at the time were still alive. When we came by, that they were on display for everybody to see. There's 3 of them and they were decapitated. And it was a big shock. But that was the realization that it was a different world, that's for sure. I'm not sure exactly how it started, the accident, and it was between 2 of our Humvees. I was in the lead vehicle, and after the wreck, it felt like I just got hit on the head real hard, and I didn't realize that I actually had a concussion at the time. Come to find out, when they sent me back to Germany, I had a couple herniated discs in my lower back, severe whiplash and torn meniscus in my upper neck, and started losing feeling in my hands and my legs the whole time I was there. Coming home, the hard challenges for me was I just wanted to be normal.
PTSD is an anxiety disorder. It occurs in people who've experienced something, whether either their lives are in danger or they believe they are, or they see other people being endangered, and it just doesn't go away. That fear does not go away. It just persists.
Adjusting being back home was only difficult because we went from going 110 miles an hour to sitting still. So we had to find something to do, find some fun, find that adrenaline, do anything we could to keep going. And there was nothing that could fill that void of the need for the adrenaline or the camaraderie of having all your friends with you. It was a few months after that it was kind of, obviously I had a problem that wasn't being fixed. Memory loss started kicking in really bad. My nightmares, I always had them. And then it came down to a point where I was having a panic attack almost every other day. And then it got to a point it was every day. I would be actually vomiting in the morning, and then it was once in a while, and then it turned into every single day. So then you don't want to sleep. And it would usually be to the point where I'd be up for 3 days until I was so physically exhausted I would pass out for a few hours and be back up, and after that, and then you try to be up as long as you possibly can for another couple days. It just escalated to a point where I just wanted everything to end. Get hit by a truck walking down the street, or hit by lightning, or some freak accident, just be over with.
I didn't know he had these kind of troubles. I knew there was some. I mean, some of it was obvious with weight loss, and the last month and a half's gone very fast.
Flexix Neurotherapy System is a name for a biofeedback and neurofeedback system that allows us to read brain waves and for the computer to communicate with the brain, sending back a signal that helps it readjust its own functioning. There's nothing invasive about it. It's a very short treatment. The sessions are short. And I've now treated over 2,000 people, and our average number of sessions to completion is only 16.
It's not a therapy, you're not doing surgery, and you're not taking in any kind of medications. They do a brain map and see what parts of your brain are not functioning correctly. And what they do is basically reset those neuroreceptors so that your brain communicates correctly from your left side to your right side. It starts functioning normal again.
So it's efficient, it's cost-effective. Veterans and civilians, certainly with PTSD, like it very much, especially because they don't have to talk about traumas they've been through.
Day one, when I came in here, I was depressed, until now, where most all of that is gone. I don't have nightmares anymore. I sleep better than I've slept in years. My energy level is great. I feel great. I feel well rested. I don't have all those negative thoughts like I did all day long. And my thought processing with how I deal with everyday issues now is a lot healthier than what it was. You know, I feel good.